Hello everyone, got a video here today on how to dress your grinding wheel on your bench grinders. And that pretty much is when the wheel gets uneven or it gets grooves wore on it. This is how you fix them. They're pretty simple, basic. There's different styles of tools that you do it with. I have this hairstyle, which is real cheap off eBay. I got it. And I think there's only like a couple bucks. But they have this style and another style that has like little wheels on it that you put up against it and it dresses them and smooths them out. So I'm going to show you on this hairstyle how to do it and what to look for. So I'll move the camera here and we'll get started. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here in the middle there is a little groove wore, and there's one right there some. And this hair is going off. This side's wore down more than what this side is. Pretty basic here. We'll go ahead and turn the grinder on and I'll show you. Let it get up to speed, and you just take this and try to hold it square. Always wear safety glasses when doing this. Don't do it like this. We'll turn it off and check it here. It does get pretty dusty when you're doing that, so you might want to wear long sleeves, but always make sure you get your safety glasses on. Still looks like it may have a groove in it there that I want to get out. Yep, there's still a groove in it. That one's pretty deep, so we're going to have to go quite a bit more on it. Always keep your tool rest within maybe a 1/16 or so of the wheel. That way you're grinding like a chisel, trying to put a point on it, or even your finger. That way it don't go down in there if it grabs a hold of it for some reason. Okay, we'll go ahead and do this some more here. Let it get up to speed. Still see a little bit of it. And that looks a heck of a lot better than it was. And you can tell when it's square by how it's lined up down here. You always want the sides to be kind of at a 90 instead of rounded. But that's pretty much how you dress a grinding wheel. Pretty basic, simple, easy to do. So pretty much that's it on how to dress them. Like I said, you can get the grinding dressers off of eBay, Amazon, pretty much any hardware or Lowe's or Menards. Places like that should have them. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like my videos, hit that notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.